चाइना का वीज़ा एप्लीकेशन सेंटर जाना है। आज पासपोर्ट मिलने वाला है हमें इस पे। सो लेट्स सी इफ द वीज़ा इज अप्रूव्ड और रिजेक्टेड। आई अप्लाइड इन मनीला। दिस इज द मकाती एरिया वेयर वी आर राइट नाउ। इट्स लाइक अ पॉश एरिया हियर। This is Philippine style boda boda, motto. And Chinese visa application center is quite near somewhere here. All the buildings look the same, so it's very difficult sometimes. This one. So you can see this is the address for China visa, and this is Chinese visa application center, and you can apply visa here. So let's see. I have fever past 5-6 days, sore throat. I could not even speak. Even today my voice is so heavy. So I was not really vlogging. After so many days I have picked up my camera to vlog. And let's go to the 6th floor and take our passports. They have taken both of my passport. The passport which has previous Chinese visa also. They have took that one. So all my 2 passports are with them. Guys, beside my fever, one of the reasons I was not able to vlog was also that it's raining every day 24 hours and a heavy rain. So but you can vlog in the rain, in the city it's raining like this literally whole day almost. And these are our passport. We have got the visa. So, and this is Manila, guys. Welcome to Philippines. First video. I have not shot anything in this city. It's my first time in this country, but now today I am okay, but still I cannot vlog because it's raining. So wow, I wanted to go near the mall and show you guys, but I don't think so. Whole day it's raining every day since 5 days. Crazy weather. Wow, guys, we have finally visa for China. We got for 30 days, and let's see when we can go to China now. I mean, any time is fine. It's not so crazy. So let's see when we'll go to China, but we have the visa, and today night we have a flight to Cebu, Manila to Cebu. We are flying. बारिश रुकी है तो थोड़ा बहुत मैं आप लोगों को चल के दिखा देती हूँ। इस एरिया का नाम है मकाती, और जो चाइना का वीज़ा सेंटर है वो भी मकाती में है। आई थिंक नॉट जस्ट चाइना, मैनी अदर एम्बेसीज आर बेस्ड इन दिस साइड ऑफ Manila, because this is one of the posh area, as I told you. You can see it's look like a business center where people are working, like a main city center area, and things are not looking like a slum. So even I wanted to go to slum, but it was raining very heavily. So maybe next time when we come Philippines again, we will go to the slums in Manila, but not this time. Manila have a lot of slums. The poverty in this country is, guys, crazy. I am so shocked by the prices of things. Like everything is so expensive, even twice the price to India. But people are more poor than India. So, see a beautiful day in the city of Manila. Big buildings. Lot of tall buildings here. See, all the buildings are so high. कितना ग्रीनरी है भाई, हम लोग इंडिया में ऐसे क्यों नहीं करते हैं, मतलब और कितना साफ़ है। एंड ये देखिए साइड में ना बिल्लियों के लिए, ये रही बिल्ली, तो बिल्लियों के लिए खाना भी रखा हुआ है। सो सी द फूड फॉर द कैट, you know, inside the pathway. And from here I think we can go to the shopping mall side. गाइज इंडिया में ऐसी चीज़ें भाई साफ़ सुथरा हो कब होगा, रोड ना टूटी हो। यहाँ पे पता है 5 दिन से इतनी बारिश हो रही है ना, बट रोड में अभी तक, वैसे इस एरिया में, जो एरिया मेन एरिया एटलीस्ट, वहाँ बाढ़ या कुछ ऐसे कचड़ा नहीं हुआ है। इंडिया में देखो गुड़गांव का क्या हाल हो जाता है, किसी भी शहर को ही ले लो। I think in Indian H&M you can find the same for 2000, not 2700. So even the clothing brands here, they're very expensive in Manila at least. I don't know any other city. So oh, these are also for men, the shorts. Too much guys, everything in this city is double the price and I don't understand why. Well, people are so poor, but you make things double. Okay, this says it's on sale. All this on sale. Oh, nice shirts actually. Okay, this is not bad. This is okay. This will be Indian 1300 maybe or 1400 for a shirt. But we'll do shopping in China, not in Philippines. So this is one of the restaurant, and which one should we choose? Wait, you know, let's just say even the basic of basic, this is like pasta, this is like 400. Okay, the basic of basic pasta is like 400. What's this? Okay, which is Indian 580 or 600 for a pasta, and it will be a very small portion because I have tried already 2 days when I was coming here to apply my China visa application. It's not even a very big portion. For a small portion, 600 Indian rupees for a pasta, and it's not just because this is a shopping mall. Actually, it is cheaper because it's a shopping mall. Sometimes in outside cafe, even in a normal place, it's double. Jesus. And it's not yummy, it's not tasty, the quality of food is not so good. I don't understand Philippines. This country is very crazy. You see, I can pay 600 rupees, but the quality is also not good. So all these sides are like restaurant, you can eat. All this is food and food and food. But most of the time this food in Philippines is not yummy. I don't know if anybody has said that Philippines have good restaurants and food. Don't joke around me. So this is the mall guys, you can say one of the luxury mall also, because it's in Makati. All the big brands are here. Last time I ate my pasta in this shop. It was also expensive, 350 something. Let me see menu today, if I want to try or not. Guys, so I ordered this pasta and it's like 389, which is like 520 rupees or something of India, and it was not so good. It was just okay, but the sauce is good. So I'm not even able to finish it. So guys, I am editing some video I came back to hostel actually, and it's raining cats and dogs. Who is raining so much? Jesus. Wow. Again. This hostel was actually nice, but it's raining bad. Ah, no, 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 no. Hey! This is a wrong time to travel in Asia. I should maybe go to Africa or somewhere where there is no rain. It's raining every day. You cannot do anything much. Guys, मैं मनीला में एयरपोर्ट पे हूँ फिलहाल. टर्मिनल 2 बहुत छोटा एयरपोर्ट है. So you can see this is like the domestic departure area. That's it. This is the gate side and this is security right there. This terminal is quite small, and in Manila at airport all the terminal 1, 2, 3, 4 everything is very far away. So but anyways, last time I think I came with terminal 3. So in 30 minutes we will do the boarding, and we are flying to Cebu with Air Asia. So quite nice. तो यार फाइनली भाई बोर्ड कर रहे हैं. ये एयरपोर्ट है, आप लोग देख सकते हैं भाई. सुबह शाम दिन रात बारिश ही बारिश हो रही है. तो मतलब क्या ही बंदा घूमे यार, इतनी बारिश हो रही है. और नवंबर दिसंबर में और तेज़ हो जाएगी यार इस इलाके में बारिश. तो अभी टाइम है कि यहाँ से निकले और कहीं और जाके घूमें. तो नाइस. वैसे शुरू होनी चाहिए थी अक्टूबर से, ठीक है, बट इस साल सितंबर से ही शुरू हो रखी है बारिश. बुरा हाल हो रखा है मौसम का. बड़ी लंबी लाइन है यार बोर्डिंग की. बाप रे.
Switch off for takeoff. If you wish to read, you may switch on the reading lights. The button is located above you. Thank you.
गाइस देखिए यहाँ पे टाइफून का न्यूज़ आ गया. सुपर टाइफून हिट्स फिलीपीन, स्पार्किंग इवैक्यूएशन एंड एयरपोर्ट शटडाउन. सो I really don't want to get stuck in this country, but as I told you, it has been raining every day 24 hours. You know, I think typhoon until now it's not too bad. It was just windy. It's going more towards the China, but maybe it can stop here also and affect. So naturally Philippines and this part of the ocean is naturally prone to disaster, and Eastern Indian Ocean side also as well. But hey, not when I am in this country, Jesus. So anyways, I don't want to get stuck here. After 6 days I have flight to Taiwan. I want to get out. So I hope nothing bad happens. But I cannot even vlog much. It has been raining every day, whole day, all the time. So nothing much to do also. Very bad time to be in Philippines. Just going out of the airport now. Finally, it's almost morning 4:50. So let's go. Let me write to the driver where I am. We almost have to pay like 400 peso probably to go 9.7 kilometer. So let's go. This is Cebu, guys. So tourist island, tourist area. Hopefully it will be nice. It will be better than Manila. Manila was very crazy. भाई ये रही अपनी गाड़ी. हेलो. तो sorry.
Your name?
Garima. Guys, this is the South Bus Terminal. It's morning, almost 5:30. This was the ticket counter, and we got the ticket for like 175, which is non-AC. because they said the AC one, they don't know the timing. That's crazy. So I was like, no, I want to go. So she said door number 5. Let's go then. Hello. वो कह रहा है हॉस्टल जाने, मैंने कहा नहीं. I go?
Where's the beautiful guy?
Yeah,
Handsome guy.
I agree. Bye bye. This is the bus, guys. Let's go. ये एक्चुअली 5:36 पे चल रही है बस. ये ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 घंटे लगेंगे माहौल बोल पहुंचने में. तो मान लो 10 साढ़े 10 बजे तक हम लोग पहुंच जाएंगे. बढ़िया. भाई ये स्टेडियम है यहाँ पे, एंड यहाँ पे ना सुबह से कोई ना कोई प्रोग्राम चल रहा है. सुबह बच्चे यहाँ रखे थे. अभी ये लोग बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हो. तो मैं यार मनीला से माओबाल की तरफ उतरी थी, एंड यहाँ पे इनकी भाई गेम. हेलो, थैंक यू. इधर इनकी गेम चल रही है फिलहाल. सुबह छोटे बच्चों का कोई कंपटीशन कुछ चल रहा था. सो गाइज आई केम फ्रॉम मनीला, सेबू, एंड देन आई रीच माओबोल, एंड आई हैव मेड नॉट इवन 1 वीडियो. यू कैन इमेजिन. सो जो भी भाई ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मेरे को ना यहाँ पे फ्लू चल रहा है एक्चुअली इन कंट्रीज़ में. अभी सबकी ही तबीयत ख़राब है. तो मेरा तो 1 वीक वेस्ट हो गया ऑलमोस्ट इस चक्कर में. यहाँ पे देखिए, चल के मैं देखती हूँ अगर कुछ खाने के लिए है, एंड ये वीडियो यहीं ख़त्म करेंगे भाई. तो ये फूड मार्केट है, बट यार कोई बैठा तो नहीं हुआ. चल के मेन्यू देख लूँ एटलीस्ट. तो ये देखो भाई, यहाँ पे तरह तरह की दुकानें लगी हुई हैं खाने की. फिलीपीन में एटलीस्ट यार मतलब इस टाइप की चीज़ें हैं, सुपरमार्केट्स टाइप दुकानें हैं, बट खाने में मज़ा नहीं है यार इस देश में ना. वो बात नहीं आ रही. जॉर्जिया जैसी फीलिंग आ रही है मेरे को लिटरली. So it was like long time I did not had any spinach or green leaf or even good vegetable. Food quality in Philippines is very bad. If you have to eat a good food, that is like $25 for 1 meal. So food is expensive and the quality is not so good, and not many option. The food always is literally same. Quesadilla, because they were ruled by Spanish people in this country, so they have Mexican Spanish food, and then pizza, pasta and rice. That's it. So this was banana shake and green leaf literally, but I'm happy. Actually I'm feeling good that some green vegetables have went inside my body. So let's go and sleep and edit the video now, and the day is done for today.